This is how you know that your defrost timer is fucked. So we have our condensing unit in the back here for a walk-in freezer running. You can see it's all iced up to the compressor. Our suction line is all iced up. We have the defrost timer there and our thermostat there. We're gonna go take a look at our evaporator. Bear with me. Here's the evaporator of our walk-in freezer. It's running. Don't know if you guys can see, but the back of it, here, let me see if you guys can see this, is all iced up. So now we're gonna go take a look at our defrost timer to see if that's the problem. So check this out, guys. So here's the timer. We're gonna go right into the defrost cycle and let's see what happens. It doesn't even click into defrost. And our condensing unit's still running. So that's how you know that your defrost timer is fucked.